Celebrity brands can be gold until they're in court. Today on Celebrity Undercurrent, we re-diving into a surprising legal battle. Allegations that Rachael Ray's Nutrish pet food is not what it claims to be, and what that means for consumers. In March 2025, a new class action was filed against Post Consumer Brands, which now owns the Rachael Ray Nutrish line, alleging the products are falsely marketed as free of artificial preservatives, while actually containing artificially produced citric acid and other ingredients critics call synthetic. This isn't the first legal storm for Nutrish. Over the years, plaintiffs have argued the brand's natural claims were misleading, including earlier suits claiming trace levels of herbicide or other non-natural compounds. Some earlier complaints were dismissed. Others proceeded through motions and appeals. The current litigation builds on that history and centers on advertising claims about preservatives. Important context: Rachael Ray's Nutrish brand was part of a large pet food portfolio acquired from J.M. Smucker by Post Consumer Brands in 2023, a multi-brand deal that moved Nutrish into the hands of a major packaged goods company. That acquisition means the present suit names Post as the defendant, rather than the smaller Ainsworth operation that once produced Nutrish. Plaintiffs in the 2025 case contend that product labels and marketing language mislead consumers into believing Nutrish is free of artificial preservatives. The suit's central claim: consumers who seek natural pet food wouldn't expect artificially produced citric acid or similar ingredients. Yet those ingredients appear on ingredient lists or are used in processing. As with many consumer class actions, defendants haven't accepted the allegations quietly. Past cases involving Nutrish led to motions to dismiss and other legal battles, and courts have sometimes rejected nationwide class claims or dismissed complaints for lack of sufficient allegations. The litigation plays out in complicated procedural steps, and decisions now will shape whether this case moves forward as a nationwide class action. For a celebrity-branded product, the stakes are reputational as well as legal. Rachael Ray has faced other eyebrow-raising moments, including a 2020 online backlash over a non-traditional red pozole recipe that sparked criticism for cultural inaccuracy. These controversies feed into a broader conversation about celebrity authenticity, brand trust, and whether a famous name shields a product from scrutiny. So what should pet owners do now? Read labels carefully. Natural is not a regulated, single definition across brands. Check ingredient lists, consult your vet, and watch for independent testing or recalls. If you're unsure, look for clear certifications or manufacturers who disclose processing details. Watch this space. Key moves to follow are whether the court allows the case to proceed as a nationwide class action, and whether lab testing or expert reports surface that support either side. If plaintiffs win class certification, the case could lead to settlements or changes in labeling practices across the pet food industry. Celebrity brands sell trust, but when that trust is questioned in court, everyone pays attention. If you want a deep dive into how celebrity endorsements affect product safety and consumer rights, tell us in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Celebrity Undercurrent. See you next time.